Hey car trend fans, today we're diving into a legend reborn. That's right, Pontiac is back with a stunning revival of the iconic GTO Judge for 2025. Stick around as we explore its modern features, retro-inspired design, and heart-pounding performance. Right off the bat, the 2025 GTO Judge screams attitude. Inspired by the original 1969 model, the new GTO blends classic muscle car design with modern edges. From its bold front grille to the pronounced hood scoops, Pontiac stayed true to the Judge's roots but added a fresh twist. The Judge badging is back in all its glory, stamped proudly on the fenders. And just look at those quad exhaust tips and retro-styled rear spoiler, a perfect nod to the muscle era. Step inside, and you'll find a blend of muscle car grit and modern luxury. The 2025 GTO Judge greets you with leather trimmed seats, carbon fiber accents, and Judge-specific stitching that adds a touch of heritage. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art, with a large digital display and full connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even an exclusive Pontiac Performance app. The cockpit is focused on the driver, making you feel like you're in control of a true beast on the road. Under the hood, Pontiac gave the GTO Judge the heart it deserves. Powering this beast is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 700 horsepower. That's right, Pontiac aimed high, and they nailed it. With a 0 to 60 time of under 3.5 seconds, this GTO Judge holds its own against the biggest names in the modern muscle market. And thanks to an upgraded suspension and adaptive dampers, it's not just about straight line speed. The handling is tight, with a limited slip differential that makes every corner a thrill. Driving the 2025 GTO Judge is pure exhilaration. The throttle response is sharp, the exhaust note is intense, and every push of the pedal reminds you that you're in a car built for thrill seekers. With selectable driving modes, you can take it from track-ready power to a smooth cruise, adjusting suspension, throttle response, and even exhaust volume. Pontiac engineered this for the muscle car purists, but also added advanced tech for the best of both worlds. Now let's talk about price. Starting around $85,000, the GTO Judge isn't cheap, but for the level of performance, heritage, and style, it's a serious contender in the muscle car world. Pontiac has managed to bring back an icon with respect for its roots, yet redefined for today's market. The 2025 GTO Judge doesn't just look like a legend, it drives like one. So what do you think of the 2025 Pontiac GTO Judge? Is it the muscle car revival we've all been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting car reviews here on Car Trend. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.